Korean spicy fried chicken. Oh wow, it has a nice... Hi there, hope you guys are doing well, hope you guys are safe. I found this at 70 packet here. Yep, it's Korean spicy fried chicken flavor. How much was it? I think it was around I got all this, like I have 3 drinks with me, and this 2 cost me 20 ringgit and some cents. Yeah, so I think 3 something, like almost 4 ringgit. I think maybe 3.90 around there per packet. Yeah, I think around there. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Ooh. I'm not sure how long this flavor has been around, but I discovered it today. So got myself a pineapple sparkling juice. There's Assam Jawa as well, but I just got this one. And of course I got a teh tarik, which is I've had this before, and this is a new flavor. It's Fuji apple. I have tried the what was it, sakura flavor, and it's really yummy, so I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna have this combo today. Yeah, you put the rest aside. Okay, oh yeah, watch it. Here you go. So I remember, if you remember, like somewhere last year, I think they had the chili padi as well, the ghost pepper flavor. Both was awesome. I actually like the chili flavor. Okay, here you go. Let's see if it's gonna taste like Korean spicy fried chicken. It's definitely spicy. You get a nice strong pepper spicy, and you get a chicken flavor. It's spicy and definitely have the chicken flavor. So you have the both combo of spicy and chicken. I'm not so sure about the Korean flavor on it. But again, right, when it comes to Korean spicy fried chicken as well, you also kind of get a different flavor as well. I think like it's not exactly the same. Like 2 of Korean spicy fried chicken can taste different, as in the flavor of the chicken. Yeah. No, I think it's a nice spicy fried chicken flavor. Yeah, yeah, it was a nice spicy fried chicken flavor. Let's try this a bit. The sakura one I had was awesome. This apple. Oh wow, it has a nice strong, like sweet apple smell. Oh yeah. You get the yogurt flavor, and then you get a nice Fuji apple. Very refreshing. I've tried, this is my 3rd flavor I'm trying from this Yobick. I tried sakura, now this one here, and another one more, I can't remember. Something spicy. I'm going to cool myself down. Oh, it's nice. From Japan. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next. Okay, the spicy level. Just say that you're someone who doesn't take spicy at all, you will definitely find this spicy, no question about that. An average spicy eater, I think, is manageable. You definitely find the spiciness, you feel the spiciness, there's no question about that, but it will be manageable and I think you'll enjoy it at the same time. For a spicy maniac, you love enjoy eating spicy stuff, this will pretty much be a playground. But I'm pretty sure you will at least feel a bit of the spiciness, definitely. But I don't think so you'll have any problem tackling it. So yeah, 3 spicy level. Explained.